Ciao my friends, nestled amidst the scenic Madini Mountains in Sicily, lies the captivating medieval town of Castelbuono. Embark on a journey through time as you uncover the rich history and charm of this picturesque destination. From the imposing Ventimiglia castle, to the traditional stone houses, and exquisite artwork, Castelbuono offers a true medieval experience that will enchant your viewers. Your adventure begins at the iconic Ventimiglia castle, a fortress that has stood proudly for centuries. Marvel at its imposing presence as you ascend its sturdy walls and reach the top, where breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape await. From the castle's vantage point, you can soak in the beauty of the Madini Mountains and the lush valleys below. Capture the awe-inspiring vistas and appreciate the majesty of nature and the architectural prowess of this medieval stronghold. As you wander through the picturesque streets of Castelbuono, you'll be greeted by a charming tapestry of traditional stone houses, narrow alleys, and inviting squares. The town's medieval atmosphere permeates every corner, transporting you to a bygone era. Stroll along the cobblestone streets, taking in the intricate details of the well-preserved buildings that exude historical significance. Immerse yourself in the ambience and imagine the stories that lie within these ancient walls. A visit to Castelbuono would not be complete without exploring its notable landmarks. Discover the Church of Matrice, a splendid place of worship adorned with magnificent artwork and architectural details. Step inside and admire the religious frescoes and intricate sculptures that showcase the artistic talent of the past. Continue to the cloister of the Ventimiglia Chapel, a serene oasis where beautiful arches and delicate columns surround a peaceful courtyard. The cloister serves as a testament to the town's cultural and artistic heritage, offering a tranquil retreat for contemplation and reflection. One cannot fully experience Castelbuono without indulging in the local gastronomy. Sicilian cuisine takes center stage, offering a rich tapestry of flavors and regional specialties. Highlight the traditional dishes that reflect the island's unique culinary heritage, such as arancini, rice balls, pasta alla norma, pasta with eggplant and ricotta, and cannoli, sweet pastries filled with ricotta cream. You'll savor the distinct tastes and aromas that are deeply rooted in the traditions and history of the region. As you explore the medieval wonders of Castelbuono, you'll be captivated by the enchanting combination of history and natural beauty. From the towering Ventimiglia castle, to the picturesque streets, from the ornate churches, to the delicious cuisine, Castelbuono invites you to immerse yourself in a world of medieval charm. Let the magic of this hidden gem in the Madini Mountains unfold before your eyes, leaving a lasting impression and a desire to experience its allure firsthand. Well, this journey has come to an end, my friends. Thank you for joining me through the beautiful Castelbuono. Please don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing to my channel. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below and let us know where you'd like to see next. Until next time, thank you for taking this journey with me throughout all of Italy and Sicily. I pray you have a great day. Ciao.